And the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through to make those rainbows in my mind when I think of you.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
So why do good girls like bad guys? I have this question for a real long time. I'm a bad boy and it's plain to see. So why do good girls fall in love with me?
Just wait till I blow up!
Oh, na na na. Put your head.
Bruh, my glizzy revealed. Guess what? I got that $19 Fortnite card. You heard $19 Fortnite card. Share. Don't give.
Belle? What are you doing, Belle? You are so beautiful to me. Can't you see?
Get away, you psycho. Stop. I know you're about to bite me. Ow! Fuck!
Yeah, you think I have cute belly? Then touch it, bitch. Fucking touch it, I dare you. Go on. Don't be a poo dollary. Stupid ass.
Do it again. Bro, that is not okay. You know you can't be. you know. Stop. Are you growling at me, fucker?
Are you ready, kids?
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was very good. We're gonna do the whole thing one more time. Follow my step.
Oh my God, what is that?